Within this control room here, we cover the southeast of Scotland, which includes the southern part of Fife. It goes over to Stirling, and then we go all the way down to the border, including the Edinburgh area and the Forth Bridges. We have control rooms in Perth that cover the northwest unit and the northeast unit, and they cover basically an area from like the central belt of Scotland all the way to the north, covering the west and the east. The operatives in here are monitoring cameras, specifically on the bridges around the Forth area, but we're also taking calls from the Police Scotland, and we will assist them if they have any incidents on the network. A lot of the inquiries from the police are related to road traffic incidents. Some of them, these can be minor, and some of them could be quite significant. We will assist the police, maybe a road closure is required, maybe just a lane closure, and allow the incident to be dealt with and cleared up as quickly as possible. Our trunk road incident support vehicles, when they're out and about on the network, they might find things like broken down vehicles or debris on the carriageway, and the control room here will liaise with them to get that cleared up as quickly as possible. We have a radio system here which is linked up to our vehicle, so we're able to speak to them through the radio. We may also just use the phone to communicate with our staff. There are several sensors that are connected to the bridges, so particularly the Queensferry crossing has a system that allows no monitoring to be done, and that is monitored from here. And the Forth Road Bridge has got a lot of sensors and cameras as well that allows us to monitor the performance of that bridge. We have a team of winter service duty officers, and they are based in here when there's any winter activity. They will look at the forecasts and devise the treatment programme, and then they will be in here to make sure that's working properly and then put additional treatments out as required. The staff within this side of the control room, they will assist by monitoring the conditions on the network and feeding that information back to the WSDO.